Alright, so we're doing a little upgrade to the LBZ. We have here PPE Stage 3. There are now the tie rods and the tubular upper level control arms for 2 to 4 inch lift. Snap out. So we'll go ahead and pull this wheel off and then start marking the parts like upper control arms. You mark these spots where they're at now so you kind of get it back to the same exact camber it was. This is also another reason why I need those arms, because they're tubular, and the way that arm's shaped, it's rubbing inside my tire. Fell off, it's freaking eating inside my tire. You can see it's rubbing, and my torque key is the only thing that's turned up, and it's freaking brand new tires. So them tubular arms, I'm hoping to be smoother and then smaller because these are thicker to help that. Plus being that they're 2 to 4 inch lifts, so to help the level on the Duramax and put this ball joint back at an even angle. Comparison real quick. That's stock versus the PPE Stage 3s. That's insane. The threads are just as big as the freaking out of the tie rods on the inners. So first we're gonna tackle the up control arms, get those out the way, so we'll grab our marker, get probably some brake cleaner and a rag so we can clean the spot and mark our camber marks where they are. So we got the spot cleaned and marked on all sides. Now we'll leave a link in the description for both of these. Pretty much both of them are bought off eBay, just obviously PPE brand. This is a Chinese eBay brand, of course, but they look beefy. I did look for the best ones I could possibly find. Look like they got good bushings in them. It's marked left and right, and I mean, they got bracing and everything. They look pretty stout. It wasn't bad on price either, so I'll leave a link to both and you can go check them out if you want to. So we got the up control arm on and bolted down, and all the dots lined back up for the alignment. Now obviously when you do this, you want to get an actual alignment after doing all this. This is just tricks to help you not have a completely messed up alignment driving to the alignment shop. So next we're gonna get the in and out of the tie rods and swapped out and see what they look like. So this may be a better comparison. This is a side-by-side comparison of the two, stock and also the PPE Stage 3s. So we've got the PPE Stage 3 and tie rod installed. Now, before you put the side back together, make sure you grease all your grease points. There's 3 of them. So there's one below here, which these come pre-greased, but I still put more in them. There's one down there for the boot right here. And then this one's underneath this cap right here. Keep it out the weather. Now some control arms come with one in each bushing, but these aren't designed like that, so they didn't come with it. I hope these do work out. They are structured pretty nice. They got this cool little bolt they welded here for the bracket. They're structured good up here and here, and the bracing right here. And this thing looks pretty beefy. So hopefully they do work out. If you want to see how long these last me, click the subscribe button. I'll be making an update about 10,000 miles on how these parts are doing. So go subscribe to see that update. Like if this was handy to you.